Hello everyone. Well done to those who actually went on the website and finished the work. And I can see your code. It's really nice. It's good. You managed to write few lines of code and created a program. So very quickly now, I want to give you the solution and explain how it works and what to pay attention to. For this to work, it's very important to understand few things. This is a loop, the while loop. A loop lets the program execute as long as it is true. As long as it's true, the program executes. So everything underneath the while loop should be indented. I'll show you an example. So now if I go to my own, that's how you indent. So if you go back to the same line as the while true, the while loop, and then you click enter, can you see the next line sits within the loop, and you can see everything is in line, even the for loop, everything is in line. So everything is within the loop. So now again, input, I didn't complete this, and then let's ask the user, would you like another go? Let's say another go. Okay, so now the user will input. Let's tell the user what to do, yes or no. So now the user will input either yes or no. So now we say if again is not equal, if again is not equal to yes, then my colon, and you see I am inside this block now. I am inside the if block. What I'm going to do, I'm going to print great, see you next time. Okay, great, see you next time, and then I will break. Okay, I'll break. So now if I run my code, so I have my indentation. This is one block. While it's true, this will keep running. All of it is until it gets here. We ask the user whether they want to have another go. If they say anything but yes, not yes, then we will print great, see you next time, and the break. So let's have a look. So you can see the indentation everywhere. And the for loop is another loop. The for loop repeats the number of times. The number of times you assign. Our number of times here is between 1 and the limit. The number of the limit you chose. The limit is here. And plus 1. Because if you don't choose plus 1, you will have 1 less. So let's have a look. Let's run it. So remember, pay attention to the indentation. So I want to do the 7, the number 7. And then how many times? I will choose 10 times. So now I am here. I have chosen the limit 10 times. I will get the title. The title, timetable for 7. This one. Timetable for 7 is up to 10. And then this is the calculation, the for loop. The for loop is another loop that takes, this is a variable, you can call it anything, and then it goes between 1 and the limit. If I did limit only, can you see here, I came all the way to 10, the number 10. Now if I do limit only, and try again, you will see the difference for yourselves, okay? So now if I try 7 and do 10 again, now I only get to 9. I don't get to 10 because the limit, the number here is excluded. So that's why we do plus 1. So then we go inside this loop and then we display the result. And we keep displaying 10 times. And then it goes back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it finishes the 10th time, it comes out of this loop and then does the line. Then we ask the user Would you like to have another go? If I say yes, look, see what happens. He'll ask me to enter a number. So I'm gonna enter this time 3 and then 10. But this time, if I say no, it breaks out of the loop and it says, great, see you next time. So pay attention to your indentation and try to be curious about this while loop and the for loop. Very important in coding. I will see you guys later, and very well done to you all, and see you next lesson. Bye.